Hey, Mr. Matt Hodson.
Hello.
What a surprise!
Hi.
I had a slight battery death there, so this seems familiar to me and you.
Take two.
It's take two. So we're here at Superbooth. You were originally going to be playing on the outside stage, the seaside stage, right?
Yeah.
But you're playing in here.
Playing in here, yeah. We got rained off, so we've come inside. I'm joined today by Scott on drums. So I've got a live drummer with me. I'm obviously doing modular stuff. It's kind of techno, but with rock, jazzy drums. So it kind of takes it off in a bit of a different direction.
There's a sort of Can vibe going on there, which I think is probably, I haven't heard it, but I'm just making a huge assumption there.
I'll take that.
Electronica,
Can. I like that.
Very kind of.
I'm a Can fan. I like Can.
And you're in Germany.
And we're in Germany, so it's quite
but
fitting.
you played Seabase last night as well.
Played Seabase last night. Yeah, last night was just a relentless techno dark gig. Basically, I just went for it from the start all the way through. It was good. Loads of people there, good reaction. That was just modular, me and modular basically, with the Octatrack as well.
And this is indeed your setup, which I have to say is compact. I know you've been working on it for a while.
Yeah.
Because you've been working on new material.
I have.
To plug that. You are allowed to.
Oh,
plug
shall
that.
I plug that? Okay. Yeah. So I'm now going under the name MATTHS, M-A-2-Ts-H-S, which is kind of an abbreviation of my name, and maybe a play on that semi-well-known module in Eurorackland as well.
I got you.
And yeah, I've got some new material coming out. Actually, my first double A side on 12-inch vinyl. And digital comes out on the 17th of May. In fact, if you go to my website, maths.com, you can actually win a copy. We're giving away 10 copies, I think.
Sweet.
So for that, yeah, I'm basically took a slightly different avenue in what I'm doing, and it all revolves around this 7 UKs here, basically, which
almost carry on, is that? Or it is?
Yeah, this was carry on. I took this on the airplane, and they were great actually. I was a little bit nervous, and they were fine. I opened the lid up, and they were kind of like, "Oh, so you're a DJ?" And I was like, "Yeah, okay, that'll do." So yeah, I've got kind of bass stuff going up here, the Schwayman VCO6 into this amazing.
Is that Macbeth? No, Sonicstate.
No,
that's
by AJH.
That's right.
Yeah, Alan's great, and all these modules are absolutely excellent. It's got wave shaping on it, which is brilliant. I've got some distortion going on as well, so I feed that into distortion, and I'm using all these little mixers here as well. These IntelliGel mix-ups, which basically just allow me to turn the volumes up and down of various things. I've got Overseers by WMD, which give me filtering, high pass and low pass, sort of DJ stuff. I've got effects going on, reverbs, delays, U-Dervish, Erica Synths.
And how are you sending, because you haven't got any sends on those
Yeah,
mixes.
so I've got these utilities over here, the 1U, and these basically allow me to send, so that'll send reverb, that'll send delay. So I just split the signals out and use these basically.
And feed
really
them in,
handy.
right.
Also in the 1U here, I've managed to get these in the 1U. These shouldn't go in here, but I just pushed them in. But these are my octave switches basically for all of the pads that I'm doing, which brings me on to this section, which are basically...
Yes, we are in sound check, right? Yeah.
We are in sound check, sorry about this. So, yeah, these play my chords. So these are micro plats by Mutable Instruments, basically.
Oh, wow,
allows me to get 3 in there in a small form factor. They all go into this VCA and a little mixer. And then I've got stereo filter on there. This is a great filter.
So that's 3 voices of polyphony, is it?
3 voices of polyphony,
okay,
yeah.
neat.
And they run into another dervish for some more effects, basically. And all of this is controlled by the Octatrack 2, which kicks out all of the MIDI into the Expert Sleepers FH2, which I actually haven't got mounted up, and that keeps coming off. But I'll fix that in a minute.
That's all right, the gig.
Don't worry about it.
Ages before the gig.
Yeah,
right?
it's fine. Yeah, it'll be fine. Don't worry. Oh, and I've also got this, the Torpedo.
Yeah, a lot of people swear by these little Roland boxes, but they kind of went under the radar a bit, didn't they?
They did, yeah. What's great about this is I've just been able to build my own distortion unit in there with lots of different types of distortions. It's got VCA in there and some filters as well. So sort of two or three different types of distortions.
Is that using the little iPad app that you do?
Yeah,
right,
yeah, absolutely. It's really easy to use, and it sounds great as well. It's stereo. which is brilliant as well.
So a quick question about, because this is a perennial problem for anyone who's doing modular performances.
Yeah.
I mean, you're doing a number of tunes, or is it just one long evolving
No,
piece?
we're doing 4 songs, and they are essentially, they're about 10-minute long. They've got parts to them, but it allows us to improvise in there still.
So, okay, how do you do that? Because obviously this is fixed. I mean,
Yeah.
this can be variable.
Yeah.
Do you have multiple paths here? So there are 4 paths, or 2 or 3 paths?
Essentially, yeah. Basically, as the parts are being played, the MIDI notes are always the same. The triggers are always the same, but what I can do is, within the modular land, I can split signals out, I can add reverbs, delays, filter things. So it's all about kind of building and growing the sound and then bringing it back down again. And Scott's job as a drummer responds to that, and I can also do that to him. So if he's playing a bit harder, I can add some more distortion and reverb. So it's this whole thing about us kind of playing as a unit rather than me just sending him a click and he's just kind of playing along. It's very much integrated.
But are you sending him click, or has he got some trigger that's driving you?
He's just got a click on this one, but we are experimenting with triggers which allow him to reset sequences and filters and things like that, which we're going to implement in future gigs as well.
That's awesome. I mean, this PA is looking really.
Yeah.
I like a stack.
It's really cool, isn't it?
Yeah, it's got
with the big horns on it.
Pointy, loud. Ouch.
Yeah. It's going to be really loud.
Oh right. Well, hopefully I'll get a little bit of that footage. Maybe
great.
we'll see you on Sonic Talk again very soon.
Yes, please. Yeah. Thanks very much. Hope you enjoyed the gig. Thanks.